Hi, welcome to the part 2 of the As a Woman modules workbook. In here, you're actually going to capture what are you saying yes to and what are you saying no to based on your experiences and based on what I just shared in my lesson. Self-love is really, really important. And that's why I wanted you to capture what are 2 things that you can do in a week, in a month, in 3 months, in 6 months, in a year to practice self-love. Capture that. And I know that you are doing a lot of these things and you are putting a lot of thoughts into what am I going to say yes to and no to. And you need accountability for that. So who is going to be your accountability partner? And if you slip away, what will be your get back in track strategy? And don't forget to capture the top 2 takeaways from As a Woman module. I'll see you in the next module.